Here's my secret to create the perfect atmosphere for a cozy evening with loved ones by the fire. Ooh. Imagine wrapping yourself in a delightful blend of citrus and warm spices. It's all possible with this diffuser blend. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth. I love teaching people how to make products from natural ingredients they can use daily in their homes. In this video, you will learn how to make a cozy diffuser blend that fills your home with the comforting sense of mulled cider. This delightful recipe comes straight from Simply Earth's November 2024 Essential Oil Recipe Box. Inside this, you're gonna find everything you need to create a fragrant experience from the enchanting aromas of essential oils, perfectly capturing a warm and inviting atmosphere. Finding a natural alternative can be challenging, as many conventional air fresheners contain artificial fragrance, yuck, and harmful chemicals, ew. These products often fail to deliver the rich and inviting scents that we seek, and also they can pose health risks to our families. The Mulled Cider Diffuser blend offers an all-natural, fragrant escape that's simple to make and entirely safe for your loved ones. This blend will brighten your space, support emotional well-being with its uplifting scent profile. So turn off your distractions, because making is healing. So let's make this Mulled Cider Diffuser blend from Simply Earth now. This is what you're gonna need: mandarin, balsam fir, and liquid luck essential oils. You're going to need a 5 ml amber bottle, which I got from the big bonus box. And from your home, you're gonna need a diffuser. I'm using the Glow diffuser from Simply Earth that you can get on our website. We're gonna need 4 drops of mandarin orange. It's an uplifting oil, which adds citrus notes to this blend, which is perfect for fall. We need 3 drops of balsam fir. This supports easy breathing. It has a pine-like aroma. And you need 1 drop of liquid luck. This has a spicy aroma, which rounds out this blend, so you have the perfect mulled cider scent. It smells just like its name. This smells so wonderful, you're gonna wanna make a master blend. Let me show you how. So we're gonna use a 5 ml bottle, which you can get from your big bonus box. If you're ungraceful like me, I highly suggest a funnel. We want 50 drops of mandarin, 38 drops of balsam fir, and 12 drops of liquid luck. Swirl to mix. Don't forget to label. Let's test it out. You won't be able to get enough of this warm citrus aroma that fills your home. It's a comforting blend that will bring happiness and health into your everyday lives. You can create this too. Get your November 2024 Simply Earth Essential Oils Recipe Box now and embark on your journey to natural fragrance creating. I can't wait to see your beautiful blends. Share your creations on social media by tagging From Simply Earth and using hashtag #IMadeThis. By doing so, you'll be entered into our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge. You could win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Woohoo! Like and subscribe for natural recipes like this. Thank you for watching.